In polypropylene bottle cap production, performance and appearance matter. That's where Oleamide, a multifunctional plastic additives, makes the difference. First, Oleamide acts as a sleep agent. During cooling, it migrates to the cap surface, forming a lubricating layer that lowers friction. This prevents sticking and blocking, while ensuring smooth handling on high-speed filling and capping lines, and easy opening for consumers. As a processing aid, Oleamide improves melt flow during injection molding. Caps fill perfectly even with complex designs, while cycle times and energy consumption are reduced. It also works as a mold release agent, cutting injection force and surface defects. Oleamide also provides anti-blocking protection, preventing stacked caps from sticking during storage and transport. This safeguards surface quality, especially for clear or glossy caps. Finally, Oleamide improves pigment dispersion for vibrant, streak-free colors and delivers anti-static benefits, reducing dust attraction during handling. We supply high-purity Oleamide for PP cap production worldwide. Contact us today for samples, pricing, or technical support.